Hey, I'm Hannah. Today I'm with Scott from Naylor Custom Homes, and we are standing in a beautiful bathroom. Scott, can you tell me a little bit about this bathroom and the layout?
Well, we ended up bringing a lot of the same cabinets that we had from the living room and kitchen area into the bathroom to kind of give it that wood accent. Freestanding tub is an accent point with it being black and white compared to us having the champagne bronze fixtures everywhere. We also have the black knobs on the wood just so you can see them. Obviously the bronze doesn't stand out, so everything is so light. In this part, we carried the black or the darker colors into the master shower. The shower that comes in from both sides, that's behind the wall, and there's a door over on the other side, two shower heads. And then, of course, all the tile in there is dark. And then we accented both sides of the vanities with the tile to the ceiling to give it that extra look.